Hi Ray, I'm going to test the 3 clicks per month. Now I may have already done a Google first click free with links testing before, but in any case hopefully it should automatically redirect. So I've got some links that I've just posted to myself in Facebook. So there's William Bay, Perth and Coral Bay, which are all protected pages. So if I click on these pages, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so that should be a first click free page. Close that. And we'll do Perth next. Okay, so there's another first click free page. Cape Tribulation. I'm actually going to need 4 pages, aren't I? I'll stop the video in a second. Okay, so there's 3 pages. I'll just stop the video and come back. Okay, then William Bay would be 4. I'll click on that. So I shouldn't be able to see the 4th page. Just to be sure, I'll do a 5th one. Okay, so I've created a Darwin URL. I'll click on now. And that all seems to be loading in. So just need to get the protection rules happening once the 4th page is requested per month. So I'll leave that with you, and I've got some other things to brief in with Instagram, as I mentioned. I'll get to that today and start compiling the brief for that. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.